The picnic. Bandit the kitten has a picnic. He asks Lily the rabbit to come. Bandit gets a basket. He takes napkins and a drink. Read the story. Highlight the two-syllable words that divide into closed syllables. Bandit comes to the city. Lily is not there. He sits down and gets weepy. Lily comes by too late. Underline the four words with the long E sound spelled Y. Now she sees Bandit cry. She feels bad. Lily sits by him and smiles. Together they have fun. Highlight the two words with the long I sound spelled Y.